Hi, I'm Joy with Back to Simple Home, and I just wanted to share with you today a little bit of life updates that my husband and I are going through right now. We have purchased 6.5 acres in the Texas Hill Country. We are originally from Austin. We've been there the last 20 years. We raised our children there. All of them are grown. 2 are married with little ones. 1 is about to get married, and the last one is out of college and out working. So we are pretty recent empty nesters and wanted just to downsize. We want to do some things that we felt like have been on our heart for a long time. We, like I said, bought 6.5 acres. We had originally had some house plans already drawn up, ready to go to build a house, and we were going to also do a couple of little cottages out here. With the world situation how it is right now, we decided just to go ahead and go with the cottages. We are moving into one, hopefully in about a month, and just really start living a more simple life. Our real goal was to have no mortgage. We didn't want to owe anybody anything for a house that we were building out here. So we're building a little small cottage. Actually, we have 2 on the property right now. One that my mom will live in sometime down the road in the near future. And we will be in the other one. We're just going to see how this works out. We had our children, raised them, like I said, in Austin. Our first house was about 2,800 square feet. Our kids were all, raised in that house. They grew up there. We had plenty of room. We sold that house and decided to, thinking we were going to downsize, we ended up buying about a 3,400 square foot house. And you know what? It was just a little bit too big. I'll say maybe a lot too big. We thought, why did we do this? The whole upstairs went empty the majority of the time, but we decided to sell that house after about 3 years, and we bought a cute little cottage in a great neighborhood. We love that neighborhood, but it still wasn't what was really in our heart. My husband has always wanted to be out on some land. We've done this before when we moved from Dallas. We had a little place in Wimberley, but we were just there for a short time, and then we moved to Austin. So we decided we were going to try this again. So he's wanting to do bees and chickens and gardens and a whole bunch of things that just out on some property to be a little bit more self-sustaining. So we're out here now. We are just looking forward to what God has for us. We talk about Back to Simple Home. We are actually feeling like we're going to live it now. So this little cottage is 1 bedroom, 1 bath that is a combo laundry room. And we have 1 big, large area that's the living room, dining room, and the kitchen area. And the front porch is great. I have never had a front porch this nice before, so we're excited to use that. It is only about 780 something square feet. That includes the front porch. So we are going to be really downsizing. We have a lot of our furniture is in storage in Austin. We have been kind of going through all of it, just getting rid of so much. We have already kind of downsized when we moved into the 1,800 square foot house in Austin. But now we are going down even smaller.
Here's our property. I'm going to just show you the hills. It's hard to kind of see from this angle. But all of this, we're building 2 cottages on our land. Here's one. They're really a cute little style. This one doesn't have the roof on it or the porch or the finish out, but this is the other one. We have a little windmill on the property. We have some beautiful trees. Up there the road is coming through, and it goes back pretty deep along this land. And the little pad right here is going to be where our well house is. It's going to match the houses, and it's going to have 2 little barn doors on the front, and that will be where we keep some tools, and of course our pump will be in there, a well pump. And we're going to do it like a little garden area around it. We're saving this land back here for a house at some point someday, but not sure when that's going to happen with everything that's going on right now. We will just have to wait and see. So we're going to move into this little one as soon as it's finished and really live a small little back to simple life. Back to Simple Home life, just like our YouTube channel. It was just getting painted recently. Now the weather's kind of a little bit damp, so they've kind of halted it for the next couple of days. Cute little window up here. I'm going to take you inside this one. Nice sized porch on these. When you have a little tiny cabin, or a little cottage, you have to make every use of space. So we actually include the porch space as part of our living space. So we are going to put a couple of chairs and a table out on the right hand side, and then a porch swing on the left hand side. I can't wait for y'all to see it when it's finished. I'm getting a door that's handmade. The job here is excellent. The builder uses excellent materials. We've been very, very pleased. All the plumbing is done, all the electrical work is done. The roof is going to look like that and have a beam up there. 2 cute little windows, and I'll put my bed right there. We have a closet. It's probably hard to see right now. Closet here. Just a little area for maybe a piece of furniture. Walking back here. Now this is the ceiling, and it's going to be living room, dining area, and along the back wall is all the kitchen area. So we'll have 2 beams up here going across, and then 1 beam in the center for a ceiling panel pit. Refrigerator goes on the right, the sink under the window, and then a little counter area, stove, and then I'll have a pantry. This is a pocket door where that's going to be, and we'll actually have an attic area up here at the top. Coming into the door of the bathroom, this is a little area for vanity, mirroring lights will go here, and we are also stacking our washer and dryer right here in the bathroom, so it'll be handy. Commode area, and then the shower will be right here with one of those nice doors, and the mud set is getting put for before the tile goes in. We are really excited about it. It should go pretty quickly after this point, hopefully, but sometimes you get snagged up trying to get trades out here. The next step will be putting in the insulation. I'm gonna walk inside. The insulation just got put in, and we will see what that looks like. And walking up, the boards for the porch have been ordered and should be here any day. And then the trim guys are gonna put in all the walls. So, all right, it's all insulated. Those will be the beams that are gonna be covered in cedar. Up here will be pretty much a hidden attic that we will be able to keep some extra stuff in. This is the bedroom, all insulated. Closet, you can kind of get a feel for how big the rooms are now. So here's the bathroom. This is the area that the sink will be in, the vanity, and then the shower will be right there. It's going to get all tiled and it'll be nice, and stackable washer dryer. So everything is coming along. Of course, the weather is not holding up too well, and then with everything going on in the country, it is a little bit shaky as far as when they'll be out here to be able to finish it, but shouldn't take too terribly long. So that's it.
Thank you so much for watching today. We're so excited to take you along on this journey. The next thing that's going to happen is the siding will get put into the inside. It's going to be painted like white shiplap, and then the cabinets will go in for the kitchen. They're already being made right now. Tiling on the bathrooms, tiling on the floor in the shower, and then all the flooring will get done. So should be in about a month, and so we're excited. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to continue this journey with us. And we've got a lot of other things happening with our Back to Simple Home YouTube channel. We're just so excited for that. Ashley and Leah actually live in Tennessee, so we are trying to collaborate with them, and it's been a little bit hard with the world situation that's going on right now. But you know what? Are just so excited to be able to share what is on our hearts and how we can help each other through all of this. So thank you so much, and we hope to see you in the next video.